Hello and welcome to this week's YouTube video. This week I'm going to show you two methods for cleaning your brushes. The first method is using the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserve. Make sure that your brush is wet and then rub it gently into the brush cleaner. The paint should come off as the soap starts working. Once the brush is clean, make sure you thoroughly rinse out the soap with water. If you don't, it may damage your brushes. The soap is also fantastic at rescuing old brushes and perhaps brushes that you've forgotten about and left them full of paint. The second method is using a distilled turpentine like Gamsol. Make sure the Gamsol is clean and then just swish your brushes around in the fluid. Remove and wipe on a paper towel. Change your Gamsol so that you are using clean fluid and repeat the process again. Keep repeating the process until your paper towel shows no signs of paint residue. Rinse your brushes thoroughly in soapy water. You can then reshape your brushes by hand and leave them to dry. I use both methods. Brushes don't last forever, but cleaning them properly will help prolong their life. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe if you can, and check out my website sarahhallidayart.com, where you will find examples of my work and also details of online classes that I run. Thank you for watching and see you for the next one.